Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys really quickly the new releases that are coming to my shop. I am going to go over October kits and then of course the bundles that are going to be available. The bundles are going to be for October to December, so the fall bundles are going to be available as well as the October kits at the filming of this video. So right now you can go and shop if you so desire. For purposes of this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you guys the full kits, which are some of the larger kits. This one is made for planners that are 7x9, and so I'm just going to show you everything that comes with this particular size. Of course, I have kits that are made for other size planners as well. Be sure to check the descriptions and all of my Etsy listings, and there you will see all of the dimensions for all of the different sticker kits. So for October, this is the vibe that we are going to be going with, and so again, this is a full kit, so I'll go over this kit in particular in full and then we'll just breeze through the other kits. So we have an October script sticker, we have some gold stickers. These stickers are made to go on your monthly view if you use your monthly view, and it's a Sunday through Wednesday. These are what I call decorative washi strips, and they are the thick decorative washi strips. So it's just 4 big washi strips that you can put at the top of your pages and layer over it a script. Next, we have some more thick washi strips and some thin decorative washi strips. And then we have some functional washi strips. So income, bills, expenses, items, starting category, so on and so forth. Followed by some builder stickers and some payday flags. So the payday flags match the theme of the kit on the front. It just looks a little different because it's much smaller. And then we have some builder stickers, and you can also use these for like keeping track of your credit score or debt or what have you, but most of these are going to be made for your bills. So for the fourth quarter, I have ditched the little envelopes. So now you just have one white space where you can write in your bill. And so this is what the sticker will look like. I'm gonna sell this, so I'm not gonna mess it up, but this is what the builder stickers look like as of right now. Finally, we have some scripts, and these stickers come with the kit. This is a full kit. Sinking funds, October budget, first paycheck, second paycheck, so on and so forth. Regarding the corresponding builder stickers, since I'm not doing the envelopes for the fall bundles or for any of the fall kits, then if you order some of the builder stickers a la carte, then you will get these stickers. So this would be for like the regular size builder stickers, and then these are the mini builder stickers. I have not reformatted all of my builder stickers, so these are only going to come these are going to be a separate listing, and if you want extras for any of the kits, then you would go to this listing and purchase extra. So these are kind of for like those smaller sticker kits that I have, and these are for the larger sticker kits, or if you just want to purchase builder stickers without purchasing a kit. Regarding my full page trackers, this is the savings tracker, and of course I always correspond it with the month, so this is going to be the October savings tracker. Moving into November, same thing. This is our colorway and the color scheme. I'm just going to quickly flip through it like I mentioned before because there's not much to see here. Same vibe, and I apologize for the construction. I literally live in a new construction zone and it's just a situation out there, but this is the vibe for the November kits, and I literally love them. And then here are the script stickers, and then we are back to square one regarding the full page trackers. This is one of the full page trackers. Of course, I have full page trackers for debt, or like for student loans, for credit cards, for savings, all types of stuff. So definitely check out these stickers in the shop. And then this would be the corresponding builder sticker. Of course, I didn't print off a mini one, but if you wanted extra mini builder stickers, then, or just the builder stickers in general, then you could purchase from that separate listing. Finally, we have December. So this is the vibe for December. I literally love this. It's kind of like watercolor-ish, which I try to do this every now and again because I love watercolor, but this is the vibe for December. Same vibe going on as the other kits, and I do like the word vibe if you're wondering. And this is going to be the corresponding colors, so obviously it matches. And here are the functional washi strips, here are the builder stickers and payday flags, and here are the scripts. This is an example of one of the full page trackers. So this is a savings tracker with numbers, which all of the ones that I've shown you have had numbers, but this is just an example. You can also get any of these with numbers or without numbers. And then finally, of course, we have the corresponding bill due sticker. So like I said, we just don't have an envelope anymore, and we just have a little area where we can write in our bills, and I think this is going to be more appealing. So I really like the way that this looks. So here are the 3 different kits. Like I mentioned before, do make sure that you check out my Etsy listings. Word on the street is that I can add little video clips to my Etsy listings now. So if that's the case, then I will be doing just that, and I'll probably do it in natural light, although this is picking up perfectly. As I'm looking at this little viewfinder situation, it's picking up quite perfectly the actual color of the different stickers, but I'm gonna try to film the other little Etsy clips in natural light if you want to see those. But yeah, these are all of the stickers that will be coming to the shop for Q4, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.